Well, good morning to you. We are beginning our split rail fence. We're going to go from this to this. This is today. We're starting the corners, getting the split rails ready to go. So let's get started. Well, the first step we had to do was get our corner post lined up. Now this took a little bit of figuring. We wanted to make sure that we were evenly spaced on both sides of the driveway, and also that the equal distance from the road to the first post. This is going to be instrumental in setting the spacing for the remainder of the fence post. We decided to go with 21 feet across the driveway, and Emery is laying out the remainder of the split rail post. And we get to use our new toy. This is our one-man auger. We got this off Amazon. I'll leave a link in our affiliate program for that. If you click on that, we do get a kickback from that. But I will tell you, this auger was easy to set up, easy to use, and man, it saved us a ton of time. And now that our new auger is up and running, we're going to put this thing to use to set these corner posts. We are trying to stay consistent with the height of these so that the split rails maintain the same level. So we are going with 4 feet above the ground, and we're going to take our time with this and make sure we get these exactly the right height we want. Since these are corner posts, we are using cement to make sure they're anchored in, and we're tamping them down with just a stick or a pole. Works pretty good. So we dry fit it, tamp it down, then add the water. Now we're just checking our distance across the driveway just so that we make sure that these posts are evenly spaced. And we're measuring just to make sure that the height of the post is still 4 feet. Now this is a very important part right here. We do not anchor that post until we get the split rails in. We will get the rails in, make sure that they're at the correct distance, and then we'll level it off, get it plumb, and then we will tamp the dirt into place. Again, we're not using cement on these. These are temporary, and they'll eventually be 6x6 posts that we're going to put our gate on. And since the corner posts are all set and ready to go, we'll continue the same process, doing the exact same steps for the remainder of the split rail posts. Now we will add concrete to these because they will be by the road, and we want to make sure that they stay nice and sturdy. And this will be a great opportunity to remind you, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel as we continue to do this fence project, and you won't want to miss the rest of the projects we have planned for 2025. I'm not editing that, just so y'all know. This section right here is the other part of our driveway, which leads down to the barn. We are just starting this post, getting it anchored, and then we will finish the rest on a future video. I know it's a little bit windy, but I will tell you, this thing was awesome. It's Pro Run, one-man auger. It was about 200 bucks on Amazon. And if you think about renting an auger, it's about 50 bucks for a half a day, $100 for a day. This thing paid for itself the first time we used it, because we did, I don't know, 6 to 8 posts in less than an hour. This thing, fantastic. Well, we appreciate you guys tuning in today. Very windy day, so a lot of this is just going to be voiced over. Just the beginning of starting our split rail fence, getting the corners locked in, plus at our driveway entrance, we're eventually going to put a gate. So it's just the beginning, step by step, take it a little bit each time, and eventually the entire front property will be mapped out in split rail fencing. So stay tuned for all that. We appreciate you guys joining us today, and we'll see you on the next video.